Impress your guests this holiday season with these easy orange ice cubes. Let me show you how to make it. All you need is one orange, a knife, a silicone ice tray, and some water. Start by thinly slicing your oranges so they can bend. Cut the bottom third off of each slice. You can also cut them into half if you want. Regardless, they will come out pretty. Grab the ice tray and water and fill it about half to 2/3 the way with water. Gently fold the slices in half and tuck into the ice tray. You can use 2 bigger slices and 1 smaller one, or whatever you like. Have fun with it and place them in different directions. They don't have to look perfect because they will come out beautiful regardless. Put them in the freezer until they are solid all the way through. And when you pull them out, you'll have these gorgeous ice cubes. These will elevate any drink or glass of non-alcoholic beverage or sparkling wine for the holidays. Put a touch on it and add some garnish. Thanks for watching and happy holidays!